Okay, hello everyone. Guys, we're going to find the standard deviation and the mean using Desmos. Okay, again, this is our course folder right here, or our course page, I'll say. When you first get to our course, this is what you get. And again, just click on the top thing twice. This is on top, starting page, click there. And today's is always on top. Click on there. Now, right now it's unpublished because it's Wednesday night. I'll publish it in the morning, so it's kind of light right here. Anyway, this is in the second green folder. As these are our practice problems, and this is the Desmos graphing calculator. It's got a link to it. So make sure you open that up and play with Desmos, okay? That's what I'm going to do here. Here's our practice problems. First one, I'll write them down. I'll do 3 problems. You guys do 3, all right? Number 1, there's our data set. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. All right? See right here, this is our data right here. So I'm going to go to Desmos. Again, I click right up here, and I just say A equals, and I make a bracket, a square bracket, and I put the numbers in there with a comma in between. 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3 4s, 2 5s, and a 6. All right? And we just want to know the mean and the standard deviation. So again, click on this functions. Move this up here. This keyboard right here, it says show keyboard, it pops up. Click this button that says functions. Go over here to where it says statistics, stats. All right, and right here's the mean. Click on mean. And over here, the mean pops up, and it's asking for what set of data? Well, we want A. Just click on A, and the mean is 4. See that? It pops right in. The mean is 4. So you can write down the mean is 4. All right, do this again. I'm on the functions button again, down right here. We're going to find the standard deviation. It's right here. And this is for this is for an entire population. Yes, I'm sorry. So it's this one right here. Standard deviation P. And it's not a sample. We're using the whole population. And we're looking at A. There it is. 1.1547 right here, okay? That's how you do standard deviation. And that's how you find the mean. All right? Let's do another one. I'm going to click and look at another problem here. Here's number 2. I'm going to write down the numbers. 5. There's 3 9s. There's 3 10s. There's 2 11s. There's a 12 and a 13. Okay? I'm going to go back to Desmos. Guys, we already have the standard deviation and the mean functions entered in there. Just change A. Just change the value of our sets. We're looking for the mean and the standard deviation. Just click up here and get rid of those numbers. And enter the new ones. 5, comma, 1, 2, 3 9s, 10, 10, 10, 3 10s, 11, 11, 12, 13. There's our numbers. Automatically calculates our mean and standard deviation. Automatically. All right. Use Desmos. All right. The mean is 9.9. Standard deviation is 1.975. I'll do one more for you, and I'll leave the last three for you. And y'all, you're going to need to know how to use this to calculate the mean and the standard deviation for a set of data on the exit ticket. And you're going to need to know how to do this on the test early next week. All right? So I'm going to do one more set of data. I'm going to click back. And this is in Schoology. Here's our data. It's right here. I'm going to write it down. 27, 30, 32, 32, 35, 1, 2, 3, 4 35, a 36, two 37s, a 39, and a 42. All right? I know it takes a minute to write them down, so go ahead and do it. Click over here to Desmos. I'm going to go right up here to our set A again. I'm just going to change the numbers. I can backspace and get rid of them. And put in our new numbers. So I have 27, comma, 30, comma, 32, comma, 32, comma, 35, 35, 35, 35, 1, 2, 36, 37, 37, 39, and 42. All right, there we go. That's our set. And you can look and see it's got 13 elements. You can always count to make sure that you have the right amount there. Our mean is 34.77, we'll call it. Our standard deviation, 3.72. Okay? Yeah, that's all you have to do. Is put them right in Desmos. All right, I'm going to go back here. And guys, you're watching this video right here. You should have already done the vocabulary assessment. If you haven't done it yet, go ahead and do it. You should have got the answers during our Zoom meeting. Now go ahead and make sure you take this exit ticket. But for right now, practice on these last three problems. All right, and make sure that you know how to do that with Desmos, that you can do it by yourself without me doing it for you. Okay? Y'all, you have any questions, let me know. I want to show you one more thing. It's at the bottom of today's material. There's a short video on the power of students. Once you're done with everything, why don't you just watch it? It's less than 4 minutes. All right? Okay, that's it. You guys need help, you email me, okay? Thanks.